Hi guys, welcome back to Cooking with Neighbors. It is I, Jerri-ellen. We're making childhood favorite recipe. And I was going to do my childhood favorite recipe and Casey goes, oh.
You'll
Still
do
one
yours
of his
still
favorites.
eventually.
Oh yeah, I'm just teasing you, Casey.
Yeah.
You want so what we're making is...
Mom's favorite thing to eat when she was a kid was spinach.
No, cabbage. I still love it.
Same crap.
So
I decided to change her mind somehow.
All you had to do was ask.
Yeah, I know.
So the recipe is a Bolognese sauce. Anyway, it's great for on top of many things. And Casey likes his on top of penne pasta. You can put it on top of other pasta if you like. You can easily cut this recipe in half if you feel like it. So I have about 3 pounds of mild Italian, and I got hot Italian. So you just want to take it out of the casing. Do that.
This is something that we didn't always know.
Yeah, well, we used to just squeeze it out, but... Okay?
Okay.
So we're going to do that to all the sausage, and we're going to fry them up first, right? Because what we have to do is we want to caramelize it before we put it in our sauce. Take your time with it. Let it fry up. It's okay. Enjoy it. It's not gonna be done in a second, but you want to have lots of flavor in your sauce. I'm heating up 2 tablespoons of olive oil while I'm frying up my sausage. And I have 2 large onions. Okay. And we'll add some salt and pepper, and we're going to saute our onions while this is frying up. Okay, I don't have a meat chopper, so I use this here. I just want to get little bits. And what we're looking for, you see that little bit of char that we're getting on some of the sausage?
Yeah.
We want that, because that's going to give a lot of flavor to the sauce. Now, if you're using ground beef, ground pork, ground chicken, you want to do that. You want to do this method before you build your sauce. We're going to strain off the fat though. Okay? So we're going to let that cook a bit more so that we get some caramelization going on the meat, okay?
What about over here? You threw salt and pepper in it?
Yep, there's salt and pepper, medium low, for another minute or 2. We're probably sauteing that for about 7 minutes or so on a bit of a low heat.
Sausage got like
a nice dark color. Getting to a dark color.
It's got they got spices in it.
Yeah, we got one. Yeah, exactly. So that flavors the sauce. You're right, Case. I don't know where you were going with that. Also, if you wanted mushrooms are fantastic in it. And I would if I was using mushrooms, I'd do that now and get all the moisture of the mushrooms. Okay. Now,
the onions are in there.
I have to get this here, excuse me. We have our onions and our sausage. And I'm going to turn this back on. This is a half a tablespoon dried parsley, half a tablespoon of Italian seasoning, half a tablespoon of oregano, a tablespoon of parsley, and 2 teaspoons of minced garlic. Okay? So now I have that all mixed through. In here I have 2 cans of crushed tomatoes, 1 can of stewed tomatoes, like whole stewed tomatoes, that I crushed up with my hands, okay? And the 2 cans of crushed tomatoes. And each can was 796 ml, which is about 28 ounces. And I'm going to put some, I already have hot Italian sausage, so I'm not adding red pepper flakes, and I'm not adding pepper at this point. I'll wait a little while, and I'll taste it, okay? This is going to simmer for 45 minutes to 55 minutes. Once it comes to a boil, we're going to turn it down low, and we're going to cover it for... And occasionally come in and take the lid off and scrape the sides, okay? So you don't end up with burnt stuff on your pot. And give it a mix, all right? Scrape the bottom, scrape the sides. Anybody get heartburn? I do. Okay? I get heartburn. So a lot of times people will say, oh, throw some sugar in it. Saute grated carrot before putting in their sauce with their onions, but I found a lot of that didn't always work for me. This, my friends, is baking soda.
Doesn't that taste bad?
No, it doesn't change the taste of it at all.
Oh.
It's crazy. I take about a teaspoon of it. What? Because it's tomatoes, acidy, right?
Yeah.
That's what gives you the acid reflux and stuff. Put a teaspoon in, and then you'll see it starting to fuzz, or fizz, or whatever. See the little fizzies? It's getting all the acid, and then that gets rid of. See how bubble? That'll get rid of a lot of that acid in your tomato. Get that goodness. We actually, whenever we make this, we always make extra because I like to freeze some. And it freezes well. It still tastes just as good. There you go. You want more sauce?
I'm good for now.
Give it a try. Give it a go. Let me know how you liked it.
Okay. I'm
Okay.
hungry.
Okay. Peace, guys. Love you
Bye.
all. Like, share, subscribe. Casey, put that at the beginning too. To like, share, subscribe.